All right, what's good, YouTube? All right, so check me out. This is Wednesday. Now, Wednesday was a chill day, but greed took over me on Wednesday. I have all of these noted in my phone. That's how I can remember these without the recording. But now I see how much the recording is. I'm just gonna put a note on the wall to make sure I record every trade. Cool. So Wednesday basically was a very relaxing day. I got my trade pretty early. It was a gold trade, 15, it was 150 ticks. I remember it. Oh, they're going my videos. After I took that gold trade, I decided to get greedy. That's where I started implementing the rule 100 ticks or better for the day, I'm done. I'm gonna just take my 100 ticks and go. Anything under like 50 ticks or whatever, I'll take two trades. But if I catch 100 ticks or better, I'm done for the day. But basically, I took gold, got 150 ticks. Cool. I was supposed to be done. But greed came over me and I was like, man, I got my gold trade in minutes, man. I still got some time to trade. I should go trade. And that's what I went and did. Instantly got ruptured. Lost $500 on the winning trade because, again, I didn't lose $500 directly. I lost 30 ticks on another trade that went my way. When I got out, it went down like 42 ticks, turned around and shot up. I missed that trade. Trying to rebound on it, I hopped in again and it kind of retested on me like 27 ticks. And I got out and it continued shooting. And so with that, I started to implement the rule of if I make more than well, I'm looking for a band today. So if I make that band in the day, to be honest, I'm not trying to really go overboard. I can make two bands. If I do it in one trade, then I'm cool. I'm Gucci. I'm copacetic. I'll let that shit, you feel me, play out. But that's one trade. But I'm not gonna sit there and force multiple trades a day after I won. So that's when I started implementing that rule, and it kind of saved my butt a lot. I take less trades, but it saves my butt a whole lot. Feel me? Think y'all feel me. Okay. But Wednesday was a pretty chill day. Nothing really exciting happened. So that's all I really have to say. Thank you. Matter of fact, before I close it, combo Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday was basically the same kind of day. You feel me? All I did on Thursday was the same thing I did Wednesday, but instead of doubling back, I just took my win and left. Thursday was an $1,100 day, and that was pretty good. It could have went higher. A lot of my trades end up going higher, and that kills me. But hey, I mean, I'm not gonna try and push it. I'm gonna just take what I'm given and go about my business from there. I'm gonna dedicate my two off days to holding trades. So if I'm up 100 ticks, I'll try and hold. But other than that, I'm not gonna hold. And the time is, we got 5 minutes in. That's pretty cool. All right, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Y'all have a good one.